my name is Melaninplanter, and I just have a few boxes to unbox today from Etsy, Verge, and some various companies. Bear with me though, because I just got some piercings and it's a little hard to talk. So first I'm going to start with some shirts, because someone asked me where I get my shirts from. So I usually get them from Etsy, a few different types of stores. I'll probably put the links down to previous shirts, or I'll add them into the other videos. Usually wearing plant shirts more often than not. But the first one is from an Etsy seller called Mint to Print. And I think I got a few shirts from them. I went a little wild the other day. It's going to be hard. My dog is here. Coco wanted to be a part of it. She's a little clingy lately. So, I'm excited. Oh, I forgot I ordered these in the same color. Whatever. Okay. The first one. This one is going to be so cute. Plants, not pants. That's me, because I barely wear clothes unless I'm leaving the house. The next one is Support Plants Parenthood. I like that one a lot. Since I don't have kids, I have animals and plants. Next is Easily Distracted by Plants. And I love these. Last but not least, this is my favorite one, because they're always talking about the plant daddies, and I want to be a plant daddy too. Like, whereas I can be both. Okay, let's get to the boxes. So this is from an Etsy seller. They're also on Verge. I've ordered from them once before. They are called the Indoor Succulent Store. I shouldn't have Coco here because she gets so scared of loud noises. You're okay, Mama. I got you. I actually don't remember what this one is, but pretty wrapping. Nice, and they wrapped it so it doesn't move. It's okay, Mama. You might have to get down if you're gonna get scared. Here, you're gonna get down, because I don't want to keep scaring you. She's an old dog. She's gonna be 13 this year. It's okay, now she wants to come back. You can't come back, Mama. Okay. Open. Okay. Nope. Oh, it's that double. Okay, it feels moist. Oh, so this one is crystallinum. So it's basically just two crystallinums that got put together. It's pretty good wrapping. Aw, got a little hurt. So, you don't always take me a chance ordering, so I'll probably lose some leaves, but this leaf is pretty, and it has a new leaf, so I'm excited about that one. It's going to be beautiful one day. Okay, let's go move on to the next. Okay, this one looks like it got a little smushed by the mailman, but it's from Next World Exotics. I've ordered from them a few times now. I ordered my variegated alocasia, and I think I forgot what other plant, but I want to say varicosum. When's that, Coco? Okay, this is the top or bottom. Okay. Nice, and then there's the heat Okay, I remember what this one is. This one is the Radicans. Ooh. I'm really excited for Radicans. Because I don't have one yet, and the leaves are beautiful. And here's a new guy coming. Eventually I want a Radicans mixed with Luxurians. Is that how you say it? But all the quotes I've had for it are just through the roof. Okay, this one is from one of my favorite sellers, Botanicarus. Again, who knows what I ordered? So I just go and order a lot of stuff all the time. Ooh, I hope this is my El Chaco, but we will see. I think I ordered something else from them as well. I like that they staple it. Oh, that's pretty cool. It is! Hehehe. Beautiful. Wow, and great packaging. Such great packaging for my El Chaco. Woohoo! Look it. And I picked the uglier one because it's cheaper. But look how beautiful it is. And check out that red back. Yeah, I didn't want to spend so much on the El Chaco because it's kind of new on my list of wish list plants, but this one is totally worth it, totally beautiful, and once it gets a new leaf, it's going to be wild. Okay, that is all I have for you today. I appreciate you watching and bearing with me while I have all this stuff healing on my face, my 2 piercings, and I look forward to seeing you again for some more fun videos. Thanks again.